Hello all you beautiful people, how you doing today? This is Love Temptress and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi! Today we're going to be talking about another Humble bundle that was just released, and this one is a books bundle called Stuff That Kids Love by Adams Media. This is perfect for any of the kids in your life that love to read books and explore and that kind of thing. So, as always, it is a book bundle, so it is DRM free, as we always do on the Humble books, which just means that you can read it on all the different devices at the same time even. So your computer, your tablet, your phone, all the different places. Which is where the multi-format comes in, because it's in PDF, MOBI, and EPUB files. So that means on all your different types of devices, you can have it on the different types of apps. So it's very nice. You can click here to get the bundle if you already know what you need, or down below, and I'll explain everything as we go. All right, I have everything broken down for you. The $3.86 is only if you purchase the top tier of the bundle, but I actually came up with a different amount. But let's just get started and I will tell you what I came up with. So if you need to, don't forget to hit the reminder bell. It'll send you an email before the bundle is over, so that way you don't forget about it. All right, so we start at just a $1 tier, and you'll get all these books here. So to start off with, we have 365 ways to live green for kids. If you ever want to see on any of these, you can click here. It just shows a bigger picture, but you can actually read here a little bit more of what the book is about. So this one is normally $7.95. And of course, I'm going off the ebook files, not the print publication prices. Next, we have the Everything Aquarium book. This one is normally $10.99. Everything Big Book of Party Games. That one's normally $12.99. Everything Kids Book of Outrageous Facts. This one is normally $8.99. Next, we have Everything Kids Human Body Book. That one is normally $8.99. Everything Kids Nature Book, that is normally $6.99. How to Play Harmonica, that is normally $10.99. And Screen Free Fun, that one is normally $12.99. And of course, if you ever want to see any more, you can click on the link here, the Adams Media. That will actually take you directly to their page too. All right, so that brings our total for the first tier that you're only going to pay $1 for to normally $80.88, which of course is an awesome deal. And well, spring break's coming up. You're going to want to have stuff to keep the kids a little busy. All right, next we have the $10 tier today. And if you're unfamiliar the way Humble works in any of the bundles, whichever tier you purchase, you get everything above it. So for instance, this one, we would get everything in this bundle plus the $1 tier. All right, so for this one, for $10, you get all these extra books. First of all, we have 3D Origami Fun, that is normally $11.99. Then Creating Really Awesome Free Things, which is normally $13.99. Dad's Book of Awesome Recipes, that is normally $13.99. Everything Kids Astronomy Book, that one is normally $7.99. Everything Kids a Baseball Book, it is the 11th edition, and that one is normally $9.99. Then we have Everything Kids Football Book, that one is 6th edition, and that one is normally $2.99. Then we have Everything Kids Geography Book, that is normally $7.99. Everything Kids Giant Book of Jokes, Riddles, and Brain Teasers, that one is normally $7.99. Then we have Everything Kids Soccer Book, that is the 4th edition, and that is normally $9.99. Then we have Kidult Handbook, that's a tongue twister, and that one is normally $11.99. And last in this tier, we have Project Garden, and that one is normally $12.99, which brings our grand total so far for tiers 1 and 2 to $192.77. And of course, you're only going to pay $10, which is an awesome deal. Our top tier today is $18, which of course means you would get everything in the bundle. And so let's get started. The first we have the Advanced Roblox Coding Book, and it's an unofficial guide. It is normally $10.99. Then we have Dad's Book of Awesome Projects, which is normally $13.99. Dad's Book of Awesome Science Experiments, which is normally $13.99. The Everything Card Games Book. That one is normally $11.99. Then we have the Everything Card Tricks Book, and that one is normally $15.99. The Everything Kids Basketball Book, and that is the 4th edition, and that one is normally $9.99. Then we have the Everything Kids Cookbook Updated Edition, and this one is normally $10.99. The Everything Kids Dinosaur Book, and that one's normally $9.99. Everything Kids Easy Science Experiments Book. This one is normally $8.95. Then we have the Everything Kids Magical Science Experiments Book. Don't know why that was a tongue twister. And that one is normally $7.99. Then we have the Everything Kids Money Book, and that one is normally $7.99. Everything Kids Science Experiments Book, which is normally $7.99. Everything Kids Scratch Coding Book, and that one is normally $13.99. Everything Kids Weather Book, which is normally $9.99. Everything Tabletop Games Book, which is normally $16.99. How to Play Ukulele, which is normally $10.99, and the Ultimate Roblox Book, an unofficial guide, which is normally $10.99, which brings our grand total to $378.57 for only $18. And I mean, even for non-kids, older kids, these are some great information in these books. But of course, my total is a little bit off from what Humble said, $386, and I got $378.57. So, little less than $9 difference, but obviously still a great deal. As always, Humble supports a charity. This one is Worldreader. Then to purchase, you're going to come down here, click whatever amount it is you wish to purchase, whichever tier. Sometimes the dollar amount disappears. That's okay, just stick it in the custom. Anytime you purchase anything other than the top tier though, these warnings pop up. That's okay, it's just saying that you're not going to get what's in the other tiers, so don't worry about that. Humble choice is only the add to cart. You do not have to have that though to purchase any bundle, so that is not a requirement. The add to cart is only if that is something that you want. You do not have to have that to purchase one of the bundles. And of course, you can purchase any tier of the subscription of the bundle. That part doesn't matter either. So here's where you're going to check it out. If you want to give it as a gift, don't forget to click there and put their email in. And you can even click the next one to make it anonymous, because that's kind of fun. But here's where you're going to pay with card, PayPal, Amazon, or Alipay. And that is it. That is this pretty awesome kids book bundle. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. As always, thank you so much for being here. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so you can see when all the new videos come out. Until next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned.